Hello! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, dark green color, red color, violet color, black color, orange color, purple color, light green color. Let's learn some fruits. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Red color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Light green color. Yellow color. Banana. Banana is yellow. Brown color. Red color. Apple. Apple is red. Brown color. Dark green color. Violet color. Grapes. Dark green color. Light green color. Red color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red. Light green color. Dark green color. Red color. Cherry. Cherry is red. Light green color. Brown color. Dark green color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Banana. Banana is yellow. Apple. Apple is red. Grapes. Grapes is violet color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Cherry. Cherry is red color. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.